Welcome back to Diecast Speedway, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. I would like to start off by saying thank you to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Now let's continue with the show. Let's get it out of the box and onto the turntable. Today we're stepping back into 1955. We're talking about one of the most iconic American classics ever built, the 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air from Jada's BigTime Muscle line. This one right here has that gold-white flames chrome in it that has that old-school show car energy that everyone loves. This thing is clean. That two-tone gold and pearl white paint is smooth, and those flowing side flames, not overdone, just enough to give it that custom hot rod vibe without looking cartoonish. Jada definitely wanted this to feel like a boulevard cruiser. Now let's talk about that front end. That wide chrome grille is what made the 55 Bel Air legendary. It's bold, it's aggressive for its time, and it just commands attention. You've got the classic round headlights, chrome bumper shining like a mirror, and the Chevy emblem sitting proud on the hood. This is the kind of front end that made people stop and stare back in the day. Now check out that side profile. Long body lines, clean chrome trim running down the side, and that gold metallic paint really pops under the light. The stance is low, big-time muscle style, giving it that modern custom look, while still respecting the original design. And these wheels, chrome 5-spokes with detailed brake rotors behind them. That's that show car energy right there. This isn't just a classic. This is a customized classic muscle car. All right, let's pop the hood, and there it is. Fully chromed engine bay, polished intake, detailed block, nice clean layout. Jada always gives us that flashy engine look, and it works perfectly on this build. This is the kind of engine you'd see at a weekend car show with the hood popped and people gathered around. Inside, we've got a clean black interior setup, steering wheel detail, dash molded nicely, bucket-style seats. For this scale and line, that's solid. It keeps that classic feel without overcomplicating it. Now let's bring it to the back. Those classic 55 taillights, instantly recognizable. Chrome rear bumper, dual exhaust tips underneath, and the big-time muscle plate tying it all together. This thing looks like it's ready to cruise Main Street on a Friday night. Overall, if you love classic Chevys, if you appreciate 1950s American muscle cars, if you're into custom hot rod styling, this 1955 Bel Air deserves a spot in your collection. It's clean, it's bold, and it's timeless. So that's all we have for today, folks. But stay tuned for next time. We'll be showing you this 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 429 from Jada's BigTime Muscle. You won't want to miss it. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, go check out our other cool rides that we have right here on Diecast Speedway, where we do all the unboxing so that you don't have to. Whether it's classic muscle, modern rides, or something in between, we've got you covered. So until next time, keep diecasting, and God bless.